Hello, my name is Kamala Harris. I was born in 1964 in Oakland, California. I am 60 years old. I was Vice President of the U.S. I made history in 2021. First woman in this office. First Black and Asian American. In 2024, I ran for president. My campaign was historic. I lost to Donald Trump. The race was tough, but life was not easy. I had humble beginnings. Parents were immigrants. Values guided my path. Mother was Indian scientist. Father was Jamaican scholar. They raised my sister and me. Hope shaped my dreams. I studied with hard work. I found my voice. Opportunities slowly came. The journey began here. This is just the start. 10 lessons will follow. Stories to guide your English. Join me on this journey. I grew up in Oakland. My parents worked hard. Family values shaped me. Hope guided every day. Mother studied science. Father taught me politics. I learned discipline early. Education was important. I have a sister. We played and laughed. Parents encouraged learning. Curiosity stayed with me. Community helped shape me. I saw challenges daily. Neighbors inspired courage. Support mattered deeply. School opened new doors. I asked many questions. Teachers encouraged me. Confidence began to grow. I faced difficulties often. Some days were hard. Perseverance kept me going. Lessons were learned. I observed strong leaders. Role models showed me. I dreamed about helping. Leadership became a goal. I valued respect and fairness. Hard work brought hope. Family gave encouragement. Determination became my guide. This is my 10th lesson. Family builds character. Education opens opportunities. Perseverance leads to success. I studied at Howard. Friends inspired my path. Learning became exciting. Opportunities grew daily. I explored government work. Internships gave real experience. I met mentors. Knowledge shaped my thinking. I asked many questions. I listened carefully. Professors guided me. Confidence started growing. After Howard, I went to law school. I faced many challenges. I learned critical thinking. New ideas inspired me. I joined legal clinics. Communities received help. I developed skills. Justice became my focus. I balanced study and work. Time management was crucial. I overcame obstacles. Discipline paid off. I wrote papers carefully. I debated in class. Ideas were tested. Growth became visible. I connected with peers. I shared knowledge. Mentors gave guidance. Experience shaped my future. This is my 9th lesson. Education opens doors. Hard work creates change. Curiosity leads to growth. I began as a prosecutor. Communities needed support. Justice guided my work. People felt safer. I handled important cases. Fairness was essential. I listened carefully. Decisions had impact. I worked with teams. Colleagues shared knowledge. Strategies were planned. Goals were achieved. I faced difficult challenges. I stayed calm. Integrity remained central. Trust grew gradually. I focused on youth programs. Communities gained hope. I encouraged participation. Lives were improved. I learned from mentors. I adapted quickly. Experience built confidence. growth became visible. I engaged with citizens. I heard concerns. Solutions were proposed. Change started slowly. I balanced work and learning. I refined my skills. Impact increased steadily. Commitment stayed strong. This is my 8th lesson. Hard work earns trust. Integrity shapes leadership. Serve others with dedication. I ran for district attorney. Voters gave support. First woman in office. Communities felt change. I faced challenges often. Barriers were real. I stayed determined. Trust grew slowly. I worked with colleagues. I shared ideas. Policies improved lives. Progress was visible. I promoted justice reforms. Youth programs expanded. Families felt hope. Community support increased. I learned from mentors. I adapted quickly. Experience built confidence. Impact reached many. I engaged citizens directly. I heard concerns. Solutions were implemented. Lives started to improve. I inspired future leaders. I showed courage. Breakthroughs were achieved. Change became tangible. I balanced priorities carefully. I stayed focused. Dedication created results. Communities recognized efforts. This is my 7th lesson. Courage opens new paths. Persistence breaks barriers. Leadership inspires others. I ran for U.S. Senate. California voters supported me. First woman elected. First Black and South Asian. I joined committees actively. I debated important laws. Policies affected millions. Voices were heard. I promoted justice reforms. Education was key. Communities gained tools. Lives started to improve. I addressed public safety. Programs helped youth. I listened carefully. Impact reached many. I met with leaders. I discussed challenges. Collaboration created results. Partnerships became stronger. I supported women's rights. I advocated equality. Opportunities expanded. Progress was visible. I balanced work and family. I stayed determined. Decisions were thoughtful. Communities felt support. I inspired future leaders. I showed courage. Leadership grew gradually. Change became tangible. This is my 6th lesson. Service brings responsibility. Persistence leads to progress. Leadership inspires generations. I joined the campaign. Biden chose me. We traveled the country. Voters heard our vision. I spoke at rallies. I shared personal stories. I addressed key issues. Messages inspired hope. I met with citizens. I listened carefully. Challenges were discussed. Solutions were proposed. I debated opponents. I defended our plans. Policies were explained. Confidence grew steadily. I emphasized equality. I encouraged participation. Voters felt empowered. Momentum increased quickly. I inspired young voters. I shared my journey. Dreams became tangible. Support grew nationwide. I balanced public events. I stayed focused. Energy remained high. Efforts were visible. This is my 5th lesson. Courage shapes leadership. Dedication inspires action. Collaboration achieves results. I took the oath. I made history that day. First woman in office, first Black and Asian American. I met with leaders. Policies were discussed. I listened carefully. Advice guided decisions. I focused on equality. Communities felt heard. I promoted opportunity. Actions inspired hope. I represented the U.S. I traveled often. I met world leaders. Partnerships were strengthened. I addressed public issues. Families shared concerns. I advocated for fairness. Solutions were proposed. I balanced duties daily. I coordinated initiatives. Progress moved steadily. Commitments were fulfilled. I highlighted education. I supported young leaders. Programs reached many. Future opportunities expanded. I worked with the team. I encouraged collaboration. Projects succeeded broadly. Results became visible. This is my fourth lesson. Leadership requires listening. Serve with courage. Dedication creates lasting impact. I faced tough decisions. Crises demanded action. Teams worked closely. Solutions were urgent. I listened to experts. I studied the issues. Policies were adjusted. Impact was considered. I addressed public health. Communities needed support. Guidance was provided. Lives were protected. I focused on the economy. Jobs were prioritized. Small businesses gained help. Growth improved steadily. I promoted equality. Voices of the people mattered. Programs were implemented. Change became visible. I traveled across states. I met citizens. Concerns were heard. Feedback shaped action. I balanced multiple duties. I coordinated initiatives. Progress moved gradually. Commitment stayed strong. I worked with partners. I encouraged collaboration. Challenges were faced together. Goals were achieved. This is my third lesson. Perseverance solves problems. Lead with care. Listen before acting. I was chosen to run. Biden stepped aside. Campaign lasted 3 months. Time moved quickly. I met voters daily. I shared my vision. Events were busy. Support grew gradually. I focused on key states. Teams worked hard. Messages reached people. Challenges appeared often. I debated opponents carefully. Policies were explained. I listened to questions. Ideas were shared. I encouraged communities. Citizens joined rallies. I spoke on equality. Energy was strong. I handled setbacks calmly. I adjusted plans. Campaign faced difficulties. Momentum stayed steady. I reflected on progress. I thanked my supporters. Efforts were appreciated. Lessons were learned. Election day arrived. Results were announced. Trump won the race. Harris conceded gracefully. This is my second lesson. Courage matters in leadership. Even loss teaches. Persistence shapes the future. I continue to serve. I work for justice. Voices are heard. Communities gain hope. I support young leaders. Education is key. I mentor students. Dreams grow stronger. I fight for equality. Rights are protected. Policies are fair. Progress is ongoing. I speak with courage. Challenges inspire action. I collaborate widely. Impact is visible. I share my story. Lessons guide others. Paths become clearer. Hope spreads widely. I reflect on history. Barriers were broken. I learned resilience. Future looks bright. I celebrate achievements. I acknowledge teamwork. Support strengthens goals. Results motivate further. I remain committed. Challenges will come. I face them calmly. Efforts continue daily. This is my first lesson. Lead with courage and heart. Serve others faithfully. Every action leaves impact. What is your favorite part? Which lesson from Kamala Harris helps you most? How will you use her story? Tell us in the comments. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Perseverance creates opportunity.